Welcome to another episode of Cryotos Maintenance Management. I'm your host, Bruce, and today we're diving into how IoT is revolutionizing the utility sector. Joining us is Alex, an expert in maintenance management and IoT. Alex, thanks for being here.
Thanks, Bruce. I'm excited to be here.
Let's kick things off with a basic question. For our listeners, many of whom are in maintenance and operations, what does IoT mean in the context of the utility sector?
At its core, IoT refers to interconnected physical devices that collect and exchange data. In utilities, this could be anything from smart meters to sensors on assets like pumps or transformers. These devices allow operators to monitor equipment in real time and act on that data to improve operations.
That's fascinating. How does IoT specifically help with maintenance?
IoT enables predictive maintenance. Instead of relying on scheduled or reactive repairs, IoT sensors collect data on things like temperature and vibration, which helps predict when an asset might fail. By catching potential issues early, maintenance teams can prevent downtime and reduce costly repairs.
So IoT shifts the focus from fix it when it breaks to something much more proactive?
Exactly. But it's not just about avoiding failures. IoT can also help optimize operations by identifying inefficiencies. For instance, if a pump is using too much energy, IoT sensors can notify maintenance teams to adjust or replace parts, improving efficiency and reducing environmental impact.
So it's not just about the equipment, it's about smarter overall operations? Can IoT data be tied into broader systems like asset management software?
Yes, and that's one of the greatest strengths of IoT. When you integrate IoT data with asset management platforms, you get a complete view of your infrastructure. You can track everything from individual pumps to entire utility grids. This allows for smarter maintenance scheduling, better asset utilization, and more efficient workforce management.
That sounds like a game changer. For utilities just starting out, how would you recommend implementing IoT?
Start small. Focus on one or two critical assets and install IoT sensors. Monitor key performance indicators, then gradually scale as you gain insights. The goal is to use that data to drive decisions. Once you see the benefits, you can expand.
That's practical advice. So IoT is about making smarter, more efficient decisions. Any final thoughts, Alex?
Don't be overwhelmed by IoT. It's all about using data to optimize maintenance and operations. Start with small steps and build from there. It's a journey that will ultimately lead to greater efficiency.
Thanks again, Alex, for your insights. And thank you, listeners, for tuning in. If you're interested in learning more about IoT in the utility sector or how to get started, feel free to reach out to us. Until next time, keep optimizing your maintenance practices.
It was a pleasure, Bruce.
Take care, everyone.